Hi. Hello, Minshu.
Hello.
There you go. Hi. Good evening to you. Good evening. Can
Uh,
you hear Can you hear me?
yes,
Okay. Good evening to you.
yes.
How
See
are
you.
you? Yes. It's nice meeting you again. How are you?
Uh, good.
You're good? Oh,
Yes.
that's so good. Why do you feel so good?
Um, I I played with friend.
Oh, you played with your friends. What did you play?
Uh, I ate tteokbokki.
Wow, took bookie with your friends.
Yes,
Outside your school?
yes.
Ah, is it the nicest tteokbokki place?
Cookie play.
Okay, 잠깐만요. Let me share my screen. Okay, let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Oh yes.
Yes. Okay. So is it the nicest? Okay, nicest tteokbokki place. Is it the nicest tteokbokki place?
No.
No. Do you have a favorite tteokbokki place?
Um, yes.
Yes. What's your favorite tteokbokki place?
Um, yup. Oh,
Huh?
um,
Is it in your city or in different city?
city.
I mean, is it in your city or
Yes,
different? It's in your city.
yes.
Okay, okay, okay. I got it. Oh, where are you in Korea, Minshu? Where are you in Korea?
Wonju.
Gwangju.
Yes,
I see. Are you far from Seoul?
yes.
How long does it take from Gwangju to Seoul?
2 hours.
By bus or by train?
By car.
By car.
Yeah.
So that means you're a little far from Gyeonggi-do.
Oh, yeah, yes,
You're far from Gyeonggi-do?
yes.
How about in Daegu?
So far.
So far I see. Daegu is the hottest place in Korea, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. So can you tell me, Minshul, what is your favorite place in Korea?
My favorite place is in Wonju.
In Gwangju?
Uh, uh,
Is it Seoul, Jeju Island, Busan?
uh, my favorite place is Seoul.
Seoul. Why it's Seoul?
Um, so many people.
Oh, do you want to live in Seoul?
Yes.
Yes. If you go to the university, if you go to a university, Minshul, where do you want to study?
I can't understand.
It's okay. So if you go to a university, where would you like to study?
Ah, I would like to 서울대,
What is it?
서울대,
Holde?
서울대.
Houlde.
Yes,
Ah, is it a famous university?
yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, really? What would you like to be when you grow up?
Uh, I I want to English teacher.
Oh, yes. Yeah, you told me you want to be an English teacher.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay, that is so nice. Yeah, I forgot, but yeah, okay. So, how about if ever, okay, you if you would, if if you are, if you were, if you were given the chance to go to other places. Okay, Jen, come on. If you were given the chance to go to other places, where would you like to go? Mean sure.
Mm, I would like to Seoul.
You would like to go to Seoul?
Yes.
Why?
Um, Seoul is so exciting.
Ah, it's very exciting.
Yes.
You don't want to go to Japan or the USA.
Ah, I would like to Japan.
You would like to go to Japan.
Yes.
Have you been to Japan before?
Eh?
Have you been there? Have you been there before?
Ah, no, no, no.
Ah, never.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Which country did you go before?
Mm, I never go
Ah,
abroad.
I never been to any country.
Yes.
Can you say that?
I never been to any country.
Ah, I see. Okay. So what's your plan for the Chuseok?
Oh, I will go grandmother house.
Ah, okay, you will go there. When is Chuseok? It's October 3rd, right? Or 6th?
Uh, at 6.
6 to 8, correct?
Yes.
I see. Oh, that is so nice. So you will go to your grandmother's house.
Yes.
Yes. What is it far from your house? Is it far
Mm,
or near?
a little far.
A little far. Where is your grandmother's house?
Mm, do you know Yongwon?
Yongwon? No.
Mm, my grandmother house.
I see. Okay. So that's very far from your house. How long does it take?
1 hour.
1 hour by car?
Yes.
Ah. Oh, Minshul, do you have any brother or sisters?
Yes.
Oh, really? You have brothers?
Yes.
How?
Oldest sister.
You have young brother and oldest sister.
Older sister.
Oldest sister.
Yes.
You have one sister,
Yes.
no brother?
Yes.
Okay. How old is your oldest sister?
Three head.
I mean, how old is your big
Ah,
sister? Uni.
um, 20 years old.
Can you say she is?
She is 20 years old.
Ah, she's very bad?
Yes.
Why?
Mm, just,
Just?
yeah.
How about before? Do you play when you were kids? Do you play when you were Do you play when you were kids?
Mm, yes.
Oh, yes. How about
Yes.
now?
Mm,
How about now?
I play with sister.
What do you like to play with your sister?
Mm, I want to go three.
What is it?
I want to go three.
Free?
Three.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Uh, um, uh, Trip.
Trip.
Yes.
You would like to go for a trip.
Yeah.
Where? Where you would like to go?
Mm, 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 I don't know.
You don't know. Oh, do you like putting makeups, Minshul?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes, you do.
Yeah.
Ah, are you allowed to put on makeup in your school?
Yes.
Okay. That is so nice. Oh, where did you learn putting makeup?
No.
Uh-huh. Okay,
Where?
where
House.
did in your house?
Yes.
Did you watch YouTube videos?
Yes.
I see. Do you know what do you call that? Uh what do you call the Korean makeup?
Huh?
Like a Korean makeup. What do you call that?
Patang?
This one. Wait. Come on. Just wait.
Yes.
No. Like I forgot. Like when you put here. Uh like this one. When you put like this.
Egusal?
Oh, Egusal.
Yes.
So this is Egusal.
Yes.
Okay. Hmm. Oh, do you wear Egusal every day?
Yes.
Oh, yes, you do. I'm wondering. Okay. I'm 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 interested what you look like with makeup on. Yeah, I'm interested in what you look like with makeup on.
I makeup. I
Really? You have a makeup?
yeah.
You're rare. Ah, I see like blush on.
Yes.
Ah, I see. I just wear a little makeup like liner.
Oh, ooh.
Yeah, do you like putting liners, like eyeliners?
Eyeliner. Good.
Yeah, it's good. Thank you.
Yeah.
How about lipstick? No lipstick?
Ah, yes. Yes.
Ah,
Eh,
you're eating dinner?
oh, no.
I see. You're so pretty, Minshu.
Ah, thank you.
You look like a K-pop idol.
And yes.
Yes, you look like a K-pop idol. You're so pretty.
Ah, oh, ah,
Yes, you are. You don't
ah, good.
believe?
Yes.
You are. Are there a lot of people tell you you're pretty?
No.
No, your friends, not even your friends.
Yeah.
Like
Yes.
I like your dimples when you smile like this one. I like the dimples.
Oh, eh.
Yeah, that's the one. I like it. You're so pretty when you're smiling.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're just so pretty. I like
Yeah.
your beauty.
Ah, really?
Yes, you're so pretty.
Okay. Yeah.
Why?
Eh?
Why? Are you getting shy?
Yes.
It's okay. You're just so pretty. Okay, anyway, do you have any questions for me, Minshul?
From now.
No. Then let's go to your book, okay?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Let me share my screen. Again, can you see my screen?
Uh, wait. Ah, yes.
Yes, okay. Now let me have the. Okay, do you still remember this? Do you...
Yes.
Yes, okay. Minshul, can you tell me what title do you use for a married female?
Mm, mm, oh, I forgot.
It's Mrs.
Ah, Mrs.
Yeah, what do you call uh what what title do you use for a married female?
Mrs.
Mrs. Can you say again?
Yeah.
Can you read?
Mrs.
Mrs. Can you say?
Mrs.
Yeah, Mrs. Like this one. Like this. Mrs. Can you read?
Mrs.
Yeah, Mrs. Okay, one more time. What title do you use for a married female?
Mrs.
Mrs. Okay. What do you use for a married male?
Me. A Mister.
Very good. What about for a single male?
Um, Mister.
That's right, it's Mr. What title do you use for a single female?
Mm, Miss.
Yes, very good. Okay, that's right. So, one more time. Okay, so we have Miss or this one.
Miss.
Okay,
Mm,
Miss or Miss. Okay. Miss is the shortened way of Miss. Araso?
yes.
Yes, okay. So, all right. So what's this is called again for married females?
Mrs.
Mrs. Okay. Now let's read this one. Oh, okay. Let's read this one. Okay. Can you read? Go. Hi, Mia and Gina. Go.
Hi, Mina and Gina. How is going?
How's it going?
How's it going? Great. Thank you.
Thanks.
Uh, Thanks. How about you, Saranda?
Sandra.
Sandra?
Okay. All right. Now, how about this? Good morning,
Good morning, Tula.
Taylor.
Hyla. Taylor.
Taylor.
Taylor. How are you? I'm just fine. Mrs. Rodriguez.
Rodriguez.
Rodriguez. Thanks you.
Okay. Very good.
Good afternoon, Amanda. How are you? Pretty good, thanks. How are you doing?
Okay. What about this?
Good evening, Miss Roy. Hello, Mr. Cooper. How are you? I'm okay. Thank you.
Very good. Okay. So we have here. Okay. So we have, can you read?
How's it going? How are you?
Okay. Mhm. All right. So we have here. Okay. How's it going is the same as how are you?
Yes,
Yes. And also, mm, like, how do you do? So the same as how are you?
yes,
Yes. So do you understand that?
yes.
Okay. So how about let's practice conversation. Okay?
Okay,
Okay. So remember Minshu, I'm single female. Okay?
yes.
Okay. Let's start. Hi Minshu, how are you?
Uh, I'm good.
Thanks.
Thank uh,
Mrs. Mara or Miss Mara?
Mrs. Marla.
I'm single.
Miss Malora.
Oh, yeah, okay, one more time. Okay, one more time. Very good. How Miss Minshu, how are you?
My Miss
I'm good, Miss Mara.
Malora.
Mara, like maratang.
Ah, ah, Mara.
Mara, okay. Okay, one more
Yes,
time. I'm good, Miss Mara.
I is good, Miss Mara.
How about you?
How about you?
Okay, turn command. Oh yeah, okay. One more time. Hi, Mitchell. How are you?
I'm Miss
I'm
Mara.
I'm good.
I'm good, Miss Mara.
How up?
How about you?
Very good. I'm good. Thank you, Mitchell. Very good. Okay, do you understand?
Yes,
Okay, one more time. Good evening, Minshul. How are you?
I'm good, Miss Mara. How are you?
How about?
Uh, how about you?
Yes, I'm good. Thank you, Minshul. Nice one. Give me a
Thank,
high five.
high
There
five.
you go. Okay, so we have, how about you? 잠깐만요. Okay, so we have this one. So that's it. Can you read one more time?
How about you?
How about you?
How about you?
Yes, okay. So you can ask that. How about you? Okay?
Okay.
Yes, okay, like this one. Like, how about you, Sandra? So like that's it, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have here. Okay, let's have conversation. I will be I will be Danielle and you are Sheila, Lina, and Matt, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Excuse me, are you Andrea Clark?
No, I'm not. She's over there.
Oh, I'm sorry.
But this is your book. Oh, thanks you. You are in my masquerade class, right? Yes, I am. I am Lena Jor
Garza.
Jor- Jorida.
Okay, what about this one? Okay, let's have here. Hi, Christy. This is Ben. He's in our history class.
Hi, Ben. Hi, Christy. Nice to meet you.
Very good. Okay, so let's practice a conversation as if we meet in the first time.
Okay.
Okay, so let's have that. All right. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Minzur.
Oh, Minshu. What's your last name?
My last name is Chu.
True. Okay. Can you ask me, how about you?
How about you?
I am Karen. My last name is Karen.
Ah,
So what's your first name?
my first name is Minzur.
I
How
see.
about you?
My first name is Mara. How
Ah,
are you?
I am good. How about you?
I am good too. Thank you. Nice one. There you go. Okay, so that's how you meet people. 알았어?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Do you have any questions, Minsu?
No.
No. Okay. I think that's it for tonight. Very good, but our lesson is over. So we have a goodbye now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's have a goodbye. Good night, Minshu. Good night.